Jeremiah says, remember, in our world today, everywhere are full of evil. Evil are full in our world today. That is the reason why God said in the book of Jeremiah, I know the thoughts I think towards you, thought of peace and not of evil, and to give us an expected end. So, my sister, God desires us for us to have an expected end. It is not the will of God that we may perish in sin. It is not God's will that we may die in our sin. No one but God says again in the book of Matthew precisely, Matthew chapter 11, from verse number 28. Let us know what Christ says in that report. Matthew chapter 11, verse 28. That place says, he says, come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Jesus says in this place, come unto me, all you that labor and are heavy laden, I will give you rest. Come unto me. God is talking to you, oh sinner. Come unto me. Come unto me, all you that labor and are heavy laden, I will give you rest. Verse 25 says, take my yoke upon you and learn of me, for I am meek and lowly in heart, and ye shall find rest unto your soul. Jesus says, come unto me, I will give you rest. And Jesus said again, take my yoke, for my yoke is easy. Take my yoke upon you. Come unto me, O fornicator. Come unto me, O drunkard. Come unto me, O sinner. Come unto me, O gambler. Come unto me, all you that labor and of heavy laden. God is calling you and you today for us to come. Come, because there is no time to delay. There is no time to lose. No time to delay. God is, you will try to come. That time will no longer exist again. But now is the time of mercy that in this world that God said, come unto me, take my yoke. My yoke is easy. My yoke is not burdensome. But the yoke of Satan.
Maybe Okoroyato. No Okoroyato, but they got a lady. 17. Onye na-akpọ ọnụ ka ọ bụ onye na-ewezuga oke ala agbata obi ya. Onye na-ewezuga oke ala agbata obi ya n'ihi na akwụkwọ Proverb ekwuola the ancient landmark ma ga-ewezugala ya. Ị na-ewezuga oke ala agbata obi gị, Chineke sị na ọ bụrụ ọnụ nchere onye dị otu a, hapụgo oke ala nke ọ nọ, hapụ ya. Ọ bụ ụkpụrụ Chineke ntụrụ, ejela iji mebiga ya. 18. Onye a na-akpọ ọnụ ka ọ bụ onye na-eme onye isi ka o jehie n'ụzọ ya. Onye na-ewezuga mkpara onye isi na-eme onye isi ka o jehie n'ụzọ ya. Chineke sị na ọbụbụ ọnụ nduru onye a. Ị ga na-eju.
We are into aggressive evangelism in our international market. These are the last three messengers. They are preaching the three angels' messages. Therefore, pray.
Evangelist, bishop, pastor, Didi, one boy, a punishment that you wear and attach snake, egg and attack. Reverend belongs to God. God the addition and the word is called reverend. He belongs to God. Go to the book of Psalms. Ghana have Psalms. Even Nakona had to wear and go to the book of Psalms, chapter 111, verse 9. 111, verse 9. Holy and reverend. Holy and reverend is his name. Holy and reverend is his name. Jesus said, one over here, Father, call over here, Father. Upon another, I don't get you, Papa, the guy, but number the guy, Papa. Had the problem spiritual, Father, never mind to be a preacher. Nothing they can know, I cannot go, Father. By the way, somebody now don't want. Somebody now don't want. More now, what I want to what I did answer fact. On a tap somebody now looking at the one, what I want. Papa, you don't answer. Chineke say, "Oh, nobody here for it." Never mind that because not that take the phone over. Na ga na fada. Zare spray. Ehu na na be na kingdom na this Christendom. Hallelujah. They polluted the air. They killed one of all them million souls. October na man na na ka chia no wa ke. They have put it on the before. Abraham human again, not sheep again, now Jesus Christ.
These are the last one messengers of God. They are preaching the three angels' messages found in the book of Revelation. Our friends watching us live, please subscribe.
This is the true message of God. May join again. I need prosperity message. I need the everybody na kembo obu na chile ke chimbo sinafa oga go to nobody who can stop it but ganiji shall be able to get you in here have people who get you people no tire you dey tell me oga bana timanya Paul say not to be confusion division all this stuff they are not come to serve our master Jesus God so Romans chapter 16
a wrong way. They say it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. In no way shall it be. Doesn't matter. God have laid down his status. God have instituted his law. All the consigned to it. You must have to obey the law of the law. You must have to obey the rules and regulations of the law. Never allow in fornicate with your sister. Never allow in fornicate with any sister from your mother's place or from your brother's place. A cause as well. Onye na-abụ ka ọ bụ onye na-etigbu mmadụ ibe ya na nzuzo. Why shedding blood in secret? Onye na-etigbu mmadụ ibe ya na nzuzo. Ibe na ego na-ata ebe a ya sị m onye na-anara ego ka o tigbuo mmadụ ibe ya. Ọ bụ a cause. Ọ bụ a cause. Resist from such act. Ọ bụ a very bad act. God is more serious over these things. But today, we can't